Hi, it's Kathy the art teacher. Today's drawing video is about how to draw Martin Luther King Jr. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Projects for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Please check out my videos, and if you like them, hit that like and subscribe button that's up in the corner. It really helps me make more of these. Now let me tell you more about this project and why it's one of the most popular portrait tutorials on my website. I think this project works well because it starts with a simple oval, but leaves room for Martin Luther King Jr.'s name and includes his trademark tie and suit too. It all adds up to a portrait that can really honor the life of this amazing man. Let me show you how easy it is to do. First up, collect your art supplies: drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. You can also always download this free How to Draw Martin Luther King Jr. tutorial from my website. Before you begin your drawing, it helps to make some guidelines on your paper. By folding and creasing your paper in half in both directions, you'll have guidelines that match my tutorial, which really help as you draw each step. Step number 1. I'll start with a large oval. To make it as symmetrical as possible, I'll draw the right side first. And then I'll add a matching left side of the oval. Step number 2. Now I can draw the right shoulder line and then add the left shoulder line. Step number 3. Whenever I draw eyes, I like to start by drawing 4 dots. It helps me plan so they are in the right place and are the same size. Now I can connect those dots on the right with a curve on the top and bottom, and then I'll do the same for the left eye. Next comes the circles that go inside the eyes. Make them tuck under the top eyelid a little bit. That always makes eyes look more relaxed. Step number 4. To plan for the ears, follow the eye line to the right, start the top of the ear, and draw the rest below. Do the same for the left ear. Eyes should always line up with the top of the ears. The nose can be a simple backwards L shape like I'm drawing here. And the mouth can just be a simple line with a lip edge below. Step number 5. Now start the hairline that gets added to the top of the head, and then draw the same on the left side. Step number 6. To bring the hairline down a bit, add a line across the top, and then erase the line inside. Now draw the 2 matching mustache shapes. Step number 7. Draw a simple shirt collar line on the right, and do the same on the left side. Step number 8. Draw 2 angled lines for the suit jacket. And here's how to draw a very simple tie in the middle. It's nice to honor Martin Luther King Jr. by writing his name across the top of your drawing. Try to make his first name about this size so you have room for the rest. Then add the word Luther like I'm doing here. And finish with King, Jr. period. Step number 9. Okay, the drawing is done, so it's time to start tracing all the pencil lines with a black marker. It always helps to go slowly so that you can trace as neatly as possible. Oh, and don't forget the eyebrows like I almost did. When the tracing is done, it's a good time to take a minute to erase any extra pencil lines that may still be showing. Okay, now it's time to color. I'm going to start with the black hair. The eyes and mustache are also black. And his trademark suit jacket is also black. It always helps to color neatly so that you don't see any scribble lines. And now I'll start with the skin color. I'm going to color with a medium kind of pressure so that I can come back and add darker shadows in a minute. Here's an example of how to add shadows to the mouth and nose. You can also always add a shadow to the side of the head. These are totally optional. A nice even color will always look nice too. And now it's time to color the background. I'm using a blue, but you could choose any other color that you like to. And there you have it. My Martin Luther King Jr. portrait is done. I love how easy it was to add shading on the side of his head and beneath his nose and mouth to make him look just a little bit more real. Hey, thanks for following along with me, and I hope you've enjoyed this drawing video tutorial. I have even more drawing tutorials like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw Rosa Parks and how to draw Maya Angelou. I hope you check them out too.